In this video, we are going to talk about time management. This is a crucial skill that helps individuals make the most of their day, achieve their goals, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Here's a closer look at why it's important and how you can apply it daily. First, we will talk about why time management is important. 1. Increases productivity. Effective time management allows you to accomplish more tasks in less time, boosting your productivity. 2. Reduces stress. By organizing your tasks and setting priorities, you can reduce the anxiety that comes with last-minute rushes and missed deadlines. 3. Improves quality of work. When you manage your time well, you can focus better on each task, leading to higher quality outcomes. 4. Enhances work-life balance. Proper time management ensures you have time for work, personal activities, and relaxation, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. 5. Promotes discipline. It helps in developing self-discipline and a sense of responsibility, which are essential for personal and professional growth. Next, we will talk about how to apply time management on a daily basis. 1. Set clear goals. Start by defining what you want to achieve each day. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. 2. Prioritize tasks. Use techniques like the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks based on their urgency and importance. Focus on high-priority tasks first. 3. Create a schedule. Plan your day by allocating specific time slots for each task. Use tools like calendars, planners, or digital apps to keep track. 4. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time to improve efficiency and quality. Multitasking can lead to errors and decrease productivity. 5. Take breaks. Schedule short breaks between tasks to rest and recharge. This helps maintain focus and energy levels throughout the day. 6. Eliminate distractions. Identify and minimize distractions, such as social media or unnecessary meetings, to stay focused on your tasks. 7. Review and adjust. At the end of the day, review what you've accomplished and adjust your plan for the next day. This helps in continuous improvement. Lastly, here are some practical tips for you to choose from. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break. Set deadlines. Even for tasks that don't have a strict deadline, set one for yourself to stay on track. Delegate. If possible, delegate tasks to others to free up your time for more critical activities. Stay organized. Keep your workspace tidy and use organizational tools to keep track of your tasks and deadlines. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can manage your time more effectively, leading to increased productivity, reduced stress, and a better overall quality of life. Hope these pointers help. Follow Wired to Thrive for more content like this.